My name is Vivien Gordon and I work for RIM. I'm a senior project manager and I will be kicking off a project using Agile SCRUM this month.
Oh, that's great. So you haven't done Scrum yet. Why did you decide to do it? Why were you interested in it?
I think that the organization we're in is looking to Scrum to see if we can move things forward faster instead of relying on the traditional project management methods.
So there are some challenges that you're facing now that you're trying to resolve with that?
I think so. It's going to be a huge cultural change for the team. This is very new for a lot of people. But the project that I'm targeting might be just the right size to try out Scrum and let the team fail or succeed. So that will be a learning opportunity that the rest of the organization can also draw from.
Excellent, excellent. How big is your team?
It will be about 6-7 people for that particular project.
That's a good size.
Yes, so I think it'll be a nice, safe environment for everyone to try it out.
Right on. Are you bringing folks in to help, consultants, or are you doing it yourself?
Right now we're going to try doing it ourselves, but we have been in contact with some consultants, so if we ever needed to bring in the big guns for assistance, that's always there.
So your team knows or doesn't know that you're going to use Scrum?
I think a lot of people have taken some general overview training, but people are all kind of wondering, well, which projects are going to use Scrum, which aren't. That hasn't been communicated because that's still being worked out. So, but there are people in one kind of camp that's very excited, wants to try this because they see it as, lower overhead, more control for the team, and there's other people who are used to the more traditional methods and doing the things the way they are today. So they're more reluctant. So it should be an interesting mixed bag. Ultimately, you're still dealing with people. And for a strong team, there needs to be trust. That doesn't change. And for a strong team, they need to be motivated. People need to be committed and feel pride in what they're doing. And there should be a common goal, and that hasn't changed. So that they need to feel energized. There needs to be energy on the team. There's the people interaction, and people want to be there. And so I think the fundamentals, there's definitely commonality to a high-performing team, same characteristics.
Excellent, excellent. So you talked about trust. How do you engender trust on your team? What kinds of things do you do?
For me, it's do what you say you're going to do. If you say, it's just follow through, and through time people will realize that, they can take you face value, right? If you say you're going to be doing something or it's the priorities, you don't flip-flop. And if you have to change, explain to them, be very open, be very transparent. That's how you build trust on the team.
Excellent. Okay. Is there anything else that you want to say?
No, I think I'm good. This was fun. Thank you.